Hello, today we will guide you through how to underline in Sejda PDF. If you need to mark important text in a PDF quickly and clearly, Sejda makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, we'll open the PDF editor, upload a file, choose the Underline tool, and apply it directly to the document. Begin by going to the Sejda website. Sejda is an online tool designed to help with a variety of PDF tasks, including editing, annotating, and making quick changes without needing complicated software. Once the homepage loads, look for the option labeled Edit a PDF document. Select that to move into the editor. This is the section you'll use when you want to make changes directly inside a PDF file. Next, click Upload PDF File. This will open your file browser so you can locate the document you want to work on. Browse for the same PDF file you want to edit, select it, and then click Upload. After a short moment, the file will open in Sejda's editor. Depending on the size of your document and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds, so give it a moment to fully load before continuing. Once your PDF is open, look toward the editing toolbar and click the Annotate drop-down menu. This area contains markup tools that help you draw attention to content without changing the original text itself. From that menu, choose Underline. You should also see an option to select a sample color. Pick the color you want for your underline. Choosing a clear, easy-to-see color can help your marking stand out, especially if the document already contains a lot of text or other highlights. After selecting the Underline tool in your preferred color, apply it on the form or document by placing the underline where needed. Take your time while doing this so the underline appears neatly under the exact text you want to emphasize. If you are working through a longer PDF, it can help to zoom in slightly for better accuracy and cleaner placement. That's all it takes to underline text in Sejda PDF. You visit the site, open the PDF editor, upload your file, select Annotate, choose Underline, pick a color, and apply it to the document. With just a few clicks, you can make key information much easier to notice and review.